How long does the Grok limit take to reset? Reset Grok limit, 2026 full guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you have hit the Grok limit and you are wondering exactly how long you need to wait before it resets. I did the research so you do not have to. Let me give you the accurate breakdown right now. Let's get into it. The core answer here is the straight answer. Grok's free usage limit resets every 2 hours, typically allowing around 20 to 30 queries per period depending on the complexity of your requests. If you exceed it, just wait for the reset. There is no permanent lockout, so the good news is you are never waiting a full day, just 2 hours and you are back in. Breakdown by plan. Now let me break it down by plan so you know exactly where you stand. For regular chat requests, the reset interval is 2 hours across all plans. Free users get 20 requests, Premium gets 50, and Super Grok or Premium Plus gets 100 per reset window. For more advanced features like Think Mode and Deep Search, free users get 10 requests every 24 hours while Premium and Super Grok users get resets every 2 hours. Image generation limits for Grok Imagine. The reset works similarly. The Grok Imagine limit resets every 2 hours, 10 generations for free users and 100 for X Premium Plus. Your exact reset time is actually shown in the app's error message when you hit the limit, so always check that message first because it tells you precisely how long you have left to wait. How the rolling window works here is something important to understand. Grok uses rolling window resets, meaning quotas refresh continuously rather than at a fixed midnight cutoff. So it is not like everything resets at midnight. Your personal timer starts from the moment you used your first query in that session, which is why 2 users on the same plan can have different reset times. Tips while you wait for your limit to reset. Here are 2 quick tips. First, plan your prompts carefully before sending them so you are not wasting queries on back and forth corrections. Second, if you need more immediate access and you are on the free plan, upgrading to X Premium is the fastest way to multiply your allowance and cut down on wait times significantly. So to wrap it up, Grok limits reset every 2 hours for most features on a rolling window basis, with Deep Search and Think Mode taking 24 hours to reset for free users. Check the error message in the app for your exact personal reset time. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.